Hi, Assalamualaikum and Selamat Sejahtera. We are from Group 1. Today we would like to talk about inverted flat roof protected membrane system.
Today, I would like to present our purpose project, which is 6-story integrated flexible space IFS apartment Soho located in Seri Iskandar, Perak. This project is proposed to meet the growing demand for the flexible living and working spaces in urban areas. The Soho concept allows users to live and work in the same space, which suit the modern lifestyle and changing work patterns. Seri Iskandar is developing township with a good infrastructure and public facility. The site is located near educational institution, businesses area, healthcare facility, and entertainment center. It is also easily accessible by road and public transportation, making it convenient for both residential and visitor. In terms of design, the building uses a reinforcement concrete frame structure, which is suitable for mid-rise building because it is strong, stable, and durable. This structural system also allows flexibility in the internal layout, making it suitable for mixed-up development like Soho apartment. The building will have a flat roof, which can be used for building services and other functional purposes. The design also includes essential facilities such as lifts, staircases, parking area, and common space to ensure safety, accessibility, and comfort for users.
Next, I would like to present the most suitable type of an in-situ reinforced concrete flat roof for the 6-story IFS Soho Seri Iskandar apartment, which is the inverted flat roof, also known as the protected membrane roof system. This roof system was selected mainly due to the climax condition in Seri Iskandar, Perak, which experienced heavy rainfall and high temperature throughout the year. This condition required a roof system that is durable, waterproof, and thermal effective. In an inverted flat roof system, the waterproofing membrane is placed directly on the top of the reinforced concrete slab, while the thermal insulation layer is installed above the membrane. This configuration helps to protect the waterproofing layer from the UV radiation, extreme temperature change, and the mechanical damage, which can signify extend the lifespan of the roof system. Furthermore, this roof type has a lower risk of leakage compared to the conventional flat roof because the membrane is well protected. In addition, the inverted flat roof provides the excellent thermal insulation, making it very suitable for hot and humid climate like Malaysia, especially for mid-rise and high-rise residential buildings such as this apartment. Another advantage of this roof system is open and flat design, which allows the roof area to be used for additional facility such as water tank, landscape garden, or recreation space for residents. This not only improves functionally but also enhance the aesthetic and visual appearance of the building. Although it is called a flat roof, the inverted flat roof is designed with a sling slope of about 1% to 2% to ensure proper drain of rainwater into the gutter system. Inverted flat roof system is the most appropriate choice for the IFS Soho Seri Iskandar apartment as it offers durability, thermal comfort, low maintenance, and efficient drain, making it ideal for Malaysian climates.
1. Provide excellent protection for the waterproofing membrane against environment elements. The waterproofing layer is situated below the layer of thermal insulation, protecting the roof from ultraviolet rays, heavy rainfall, and high temperature variation. 2. Increase durability and longer life of the roofing system. A protected membrane roof reduces thermal stress and environmental effect, causing less roofing failures such as cracking, twisting, or shrinks. 3. Enhance thermal stability and energy efficiency. Insulation over the waterproofing membrane enable a thermal barrier preventing heat penetration and reducing the need for air conditioning system. 4. Lower maintenance required and cost of ownership. The waterproofing layer is not exposed to element or wear and tear, reducing damage and repair costs. 5. Suitability index for accessible and heavily used roof area. Inverted flat roof systems are suitable for building requiring frequent roof access without affecting the roof water thickness. After that, advantage of inverted flat roof protected membrane roof system. 1. High suitability for accessible and serviceable roof area. Usable when roof access for inspection, maintenance and the installation of mechanical and electrical appliances where safe traffic and loading are made. 2. Increased malleability in architectural and structural design. This roof type can be configured to allow flexibility in building design so that various services such as building service, solar panel, ground roof, and future development can be effectively placed. 3. Enhance structural protection and load distribution. Ensure that the loading over the roof structure is well distributed, thus reducing the stress exerted on the roof waterproof layer. 4. Safety feature during construction maintenance work. It is less likely to be accidentally punctured or damaged through work carried out on site. 5. Increase overall reliability and performance consistency. Offer more reliable waterproofing and thermal performance to the building as opposite to the tapered roof design, which can result in unexpected failure. Lastly, disadvantage of inverted flat roof protected membrane roof system. 1. Increase initial cost of formulation and material. Internal cost of construction is quite high and it comprises a number of roofing materials that are expensive, including waterproofing membranes, extruded polystyrene, protective layer and ballast system. 2. Increase dead load on the roof structure. Protective layer and ballast material layer on top of the waterproofing membrane will contribute to the enhanced dead load exerted on the roof slab, increasing structural cost. 3. Waterproofing defect location difficult to detect. Waterproofing membrane is layered below the insulation and protective material. Its leak location become more difficult and the removal and replacement process take longer. 4. Longer construction period compared to conventional roof system. Various layers such as waterproofing membranes, insulation, drainage component, and protective finish need to be installed. The process requires more time and careful coordination. 5. Possible risk of insulation shift over time. Insulation boards that are not properly attached may move due to one uplift or constant water flow, affecting drainage performance and overall roof stability.
This sketch shows an inverted flat roof system. Starting from the bottom, there is a concrete deck which acts as the main structural support. Above it is a tapered lightweight cementitious crit to create a slope for rainwater drainage. Next, a waterproofing membrane is fully added to prevent water penetration on top of the membrane. On top of the membrane, a drainage mat is provided to allow water to flow toward the outlet. Above the drainage layer, XPS insulation board are placed in layer. In an inverted roof system, the insulation is placed above the waterproofing, which help protect the membrane and improve thermal performance. A filter fabric is placed above the insulation to prevent the fine particle from entering the drainage layer. Finally, gravel ballast is added on top to provide weight, protect the layer below, and improve durability. This detail shows the junction between an inverted flat roof and the lightweight partition wall. Starting from the bottom, the concrete slab acts as the main structural element. A fully added waterproofing membrane is applied on top of the slab and turned up at the wall as the upturn, which prevent water penetration at the roof wall junction. Above the membrane, a drainage bed is provided to allow rainwater to flow toward the outlets. Rigid XPS insulation boards are then placed above the waterproofing layer. In an inverted roof system, placing the insulation above the membrane helps to protect the waterproofing and improve thermal performance. A filter fabric is laid above the insulation to prevent fine particles from entering the drainage layer. Finally, gravel ballast is placed on the top to provide weight and protect the roof layer. The partition wall is constructed directly to the concrete slab, not on the insulation. To ensure structural stability, flashing or protection is provided at the base of the wall for additional waterproofing. So next, I will explain construction stages for inverted flat roof system. Firstly, formwork and temporary support are installed to support the in-situ reinforced concrete roof slab during construction. This to ensure the slab is cast to the correct shape, level and the thickness to remain stable until the concrete gains sufficient strength. Next, reinforcement bars are placed according to the approved structural drawing. Proper spacing, cover and alignment of the reinforcement are ensured to provide adequate strength and durability of the roof slab. Next, reinforcement bars are placed according to the approved structural drawing. Proper spacing, cover and alignment of the reinforcement are ensured to provide adequate strength and durability to the roof slab. After that, the in-situ reinforced concrete roof slab is cast. Concrete is poured into the formwork, compacted using the vibration to remove air voids, and finished to achieve smooth and even surfaces. Once casting is completed, concrete curing is carried out for a specific period. Curing is important to prevent early moisture loss and to allow the concrete to achieve its required strength and durability. Following this, the lightweight cementinous screed is applied to form a roof slope. The screed provides a gentle fall toward the drainage outlet to ensuring the effective rainwater runoff and preventing water ponding. After the screed has hardened, the water ponding membrane is installed over the roof surface. This membrane acts as the primary barrier against water penetration and carefully detailed at the upturn and drainage point. A protection layer is then placed above the waterproofing membrane to prevent damage from construction activity and subsequent layer. Next, XPS thermal insulation board are installed above the waterproofing layer, which is a key feature of an inverted flat roof system. This placement protects the membrane from temperature fluctuation and improves the thermal performance of the building. After that, gravel ballast or paving finishes are installed on top of the insulation. This provides weight to hold the insulation in place, protect the roof system, and allow the roof to be used for maintenance access or functional purposes. Then, drainage components including roof outlet and rainwater pipe are installed to ensure efficient discharge of rainwater from the roof surfaces. Finally, a final inspection and water ponding tests are carried out to check the effectiveness of the waterproofing system and to ensure there is no leakage before the roof is approved for use.
In conclusion, the use of the inverted flat roof with a protect membrane system for the IFS Soho apartment is practical and effective solution that meet both the structural environment requirement of a mid-rise residential building in Seri Iskandar. This roof system provides excellent durability, effective thermal insulation, and reliable rainwater drain, making it highly suitable for Malaysian hot and humid climates. Although the internal construction cost is higher, the term benefit such as reduced maintenance requirements, improved building performance, and enhanced occupant comfort clearly outweigh the initial investment. Furthermore, the systematic in-situ reinforced concrete construction process ensures structural safety, quality, and long-term performance of the building. Overall, the selection of this roof system not only improves building effectiveness and suitability, but also ensure the aesthetic and functional value of the building, making it a well-justified choice for the IFS Soho apartment. And that is the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching.